guys, in this video, we're going to finish up using WeVideo and just put the final touches on our project. So after you get everything set up on the timeline, and obviously you're going to have more video than I am, you're going to have more images, but you should have more video than you have images. This is a video project. But once you're done, you'll need to finish up with some credits. So just like you did the title, you'll drag it down to your video one line. You will click on it and you can extend the length of that by pulling on that trim again. Click on the little pencil to edit it, and you have the two tabs there, and they, do it really nicely for you. So they really put it all together for you. So directed by, your name, Ashley Wright. If you didn't want produced by, you could highlight that stuff and you could just delete it and get rid of it. You can put in there actor 1, actor 2. So again, it's all kind of up to you what you put. But the most important thing is that you cite those things that we talked about within the module. So for instance, images, courtesy of, and they're probably your images. So go ahead and put your name, Ashley Wright. But then if you got any off of the internet, you want to also put the website names for those. So if you got one from Flickr, you'd put Flickr. Google is not an acceptable answer here. Google is the search engine, not the website. All right, then you need to cite the music. Now, I can't remember what mine was, so I could hit done editing. I can come back out here and figure out the name of it. And so it says Discovery Mega Music. So now I can go back in and type in Discovery Mega Music, close quotes, courtesy of, and then put WeVideo. And since I capitalized courtesy on the other one, I'm going to capitalize it here as well. I got the image off of, I got the video off of the internet. So video courtesy of YouTube. Okay, and then the last thing is if you do the interview and you do any research, then you want to cite that information, and you would do it the same way, information courtesy of website title. I don't want the URL. I just want the name of the website. So Flickr, CNET, PC World, those are the titles of those websites. I don't want .com or www. Don't want any of that stuff. Now, again, you can come in here and you can change the font, make it look how you want. You can move it so that it's at the top or at the bottom. You can change the sizing, change the spacing, so you can see just how it kind of changes the line and the spacing height and the size. We can change that as well. There we go. We can go to the animation and see what it says, start and end. So if you want to, scale it up, you could, or if you want to change the position in the end, I can drag it up. And so now when I hit done editing, when that plays, you can see that it moves up since I had it do that in that animation section. So I just drug it up. All right. Again, you can go back, you can add an effect on it. You could come in here and you could do like a fade in and a fade out, up to you what you want to do. Maybe you're going to check that. Maybe you're going to do that. And so now when I hit play, fading in and fading out. With these videos where you can't see the audio, you do want to make sure that you click on that audio option and that you fade that audio out. It just makes it sound nicer. So, again, I can click on that option and then change it. Let's see here. Again, I can increase that volume or decrease that volume if it doesn't sound good. So I can go in there and I can fix those things. I can even grab the little circles and drag it down so that it ends, for a longer period of time. So let's watch this now. And so you can hear that it's getting softer and softer and softer, and then it goes into the credits there. All right. So once we are done with our video, we're ready to publish it. That's the only way I can view it. And by the way, really quickly, notice over here, available published time, 1 minute and 31 seconds. So that's how you know if you've gone over or how much you can actually publish there. What you're going to do is you're going to hit finish. You're going to give it a title. You'll choose standard because you'll have to upgrade to get the HD, and we don't want to do that. And you want it to save to your Google Drive, so you'll select that option. You can change the thumbnail, to make it look however you want it to look, and then you'll hit finish. And then it will actually start working on that and getting that published for you. So I'm going to let this publish. And while that's publishing, the way that we're going to turn this in. So you're going to end up going to either Google Drive and uploading the video there or grabbing the link from WeVideo. I do not want you turning in the whole video. I just want you turning in a link to your video. So if your video is on Google Drive, for example, here's one that I made. I would click on it. I would choose this little link option. I would make sure that anyone can see the link. I can go into share settings if it doesn't say that and change that to anyone can see the link. You can go to more. That'll give you all those options. And then what I want you to do is I just want you to copy that link, Control C. And when you go to actually hand it in, there will be a spot where it says, write a message here, and that's where you'll put in the URL. All right, so this is taking a little bit longer than I anticipated. So, we'll just have to wait for this, and I'm going to pause my video and come back when this is done. So I'll be back in just a second. All right, I'm back. You can see that it's almost done rendering. It's got to finish here, but it's brought up what I want here, which is this link right here. So what you can do is you can click on that, and that would actually take you out to the video that you created. You can see that it's still processing, but that's another way that you can turn it in. So just copy this link and put it in the write the message and give it to me that way. All right, so that's it for WeVideo. If you have any questions, email me. I'm always here for help. And if you need any additional help, you can always drop by and see me on one of the help days. And I'll see you next time.